Hello, everybody, and welcome to my house. I'm going to show you every room of it and I'm going to describe them as well. So, let's begin with the waiting room. I love this room because I have a lot of books here. I love reading and I also love pictures. You will see a lot of pictures around my house. I have a lot of them. In this room, I have the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room, all of them in the same place. I have these beautiful armchairs here, which are very, very comfortable. Sometimes I fall asleep on them because they are really comfortable. And in this wall, I have this beautiful picture, which I love, like the contrast makes with the wall behind it. And I have here even more pictures. As I said before, I really like them a lot. This is my dining room and my kitchen. If you observe, most of the colors of my house are dark because I love dark colors, but I don't like bright colors. I really hate them a lot.